Other benefits of transgenic animals. In the pharmaceutical production stuff, there are some proteins that are just too fancy to be made by bacteria. Our ribosomes are a little bit different than theirs. Our genes are more complicated than theirs. And so that there are some proteins that bacteria just can't make. And in the past, there was no way to do that. Now we have the ability to take the human genes for some of these fancy proteins like EPO, which is the stuff that athletes use for blood doping to make them have more red blood cells. It's also a drug that we use in people who have gone through chemo, and so their bone marrow isn't producing enough red blood cells to help them make more. Um, Blood clotting factor for hemophilia, which we used to have to get from hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of units of blood to treat a hemophiliac. Now we can synthesize that clotting factor, um, but we need the cells of higher organisms, of eukaryotes, of mammals to make those fancy proteins. And so we can use mammals, or sometimes we can use chicken eggs to make those proteins. The cows, we can get it from their milk sometimes. And so then you just milk the cow and then you separate the protein from the milk and purify it and put it in the bottle and send it to the pharmacy. With chickens, you harvest the eggs, you separate the protein from the rest of the egg, and then you purify that and put that in the bottle and send that to the pharmacy.